Hello. Today's going to be a little bit interesting for the RWT. So, I'm at Mitchell's place and he's at work. And I was given free range to just kind of do what I wanted. However, I was advised to turn everything on. So, I don't know if Mitchell's going to be getting his lunch before I don't know if Mitchell's going to be getting his lunch before the weekly. He ended up showing up at like 11:05 and was locked out of the apartment, so I had to sprint outside and retrieve him. But I'm kind of afraid because I there's some of these radios that I don't have that I don't know how to use. So, we'll see what happens. It's like 10:45-ish. I'm still trying to turn everything on. I'm scared. I think everything's on. Or for the most part, everything is on. I am honestly, I'm afraid. Just
until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook report.